Hello and welcome to Pandora FMS. In today's video, we'll show you how to register new manufacturers through their private enterprise numbers in Pandora FMS environment. These identification numbers and their manufacturers will help you later monitor devices on your network that belong to those brands. First, we will explain where and how private enterprise numbers are registered in Pandora FMS console, and then we will tell you in which sections they will be used to add a specific monitoring for each manufacturer brand. The first thing you have to do is scroll in the side menu to Settings, Templates, Private Enterprise Numbers. Here, when you install your Pandora FMS ISO, you will find by default a large number of already registered manufacturers. You can see some very well known, such as Cisco, Unix, HP, or Fortinet. If you access any of them, you see that the registration is very simple. It only consists of the specific number of the manufacturer, the name, and an added description that will provide you with extra data. This information will not be used in any subsequent process, so if you want to leave it blank, it can also be done. If you add one, you can see that it is quick and easy. Go to the bottom and click on Register Manufacturer. Fill in at least the number and field of the manufacturer, and optionally, as we already said, the description, and you see that it now appears in your list. In this case, we added the manufacturer info blocks that is added to the existing list. If you don't know how to get that specific number, don't worry, it's very simple. You can access the terminal, for example, from your Pandora FMS server and perform the following run against the device that you have on your SNMP-enabled network. Just perform an SNMP walk and enter the SNMP version and community data configured on those devices, add your IP and the OID you see on screen. Depending on the version you have, either 1, 2, or 3, more security data will have to be transferred, as version 3 allows you to add authentication and privacy data. In my case, it's going to be version 2C. This returns a value from which you can get the private enterprise number. It is the one in the 7th position, and as we said before, it is specific to each device manufacturer. It will always take that position, so copy it and go to the IANA page, which contains an extensive list of manufacturers. Look for the number you copied and you will see the manufacturer's details and contact. Now you only have to transfer those data to Pandora FMS manufacturer's registry and in that way enlarge our catalog. As we mentioned in the introduction of this video, private enterprise numbers can be used in different sections. Now we're just going to show where, since in this channel you can find videos devoted to explaining every section. First of all, these private enterprise numbers can be used when creating module templates that will later be deployed on agents. You can do it in each of the agents you want, or when performing a discovery task if you activate Hardware Auto Discovery and SNMP options. This will search among the templates that you created previously for matches, and the modules that respond will be returned at the end of the task, so that you have the option to add them. Another section where these manufacturers will be used is in remote component creation. When you create a new one, or in this case when you see an existing one, you can see that in the configuration you have a drop-down for indicating the manufacturer. Here you see the name instead of the number, but it is the same list that we saw before. That way, when you use the wizards incorporated to the agents, if there are matches with that manufacturer and the query responds to the OID, it will return the result, and as in Discovery, there will be the possibility of adding the module to the agent. And that was it for today's video. Don't forget it, if you liked the video, smile, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe. Thank you very much for your time, and we hope to see you on social media and in future learning videos.